Welcome back to another video. I have been working non-stop out here. Today's video, I got 40 tons of stone delivered to do a third of the driveway, and then I still need another 350 feet to go. But I will be spreading this stone with my Kubota KX71. So let's see how this goes. Start spreading it, grading it a little bit. I know it's not going to compact as much, but hey, let's see what we can do. I also installed this black fabric on here so it can help it from sinking, and this is a little soft right now, so let's see how it does. I did some grass seed also just to kind of help out with roots and stuff, tying up the ground. So yeah, let's get to it. So it's a little harder than what I thought. To spread it is good, just grab it with the bucket, but to level it out, it is a little challenging. So I'm gonna get to come along and just kind of level this out a little bit better. Alright, that come along is a little bit more of a workout, but it leaves it a lot better. Let me know, how does that look? It's coming along well. So since we got a 40-foot driveway, since we got a 4-foot driveway, I got to get it back narrow to the width of 12 feet driveway. So yeah, I got about 40 feet done. I still need 360 feet left. So I got enough stone here. I just need more fabric to continue that way. This right here will get me a good amount, halfway maybe. Yeah, I just need more fabric, spread it out, and we continue all the way to where the house is going to be back there. All right, so the other day I ran out of plastic, but I ended up doing the whole front part, evening it out to 12 feet. The lady that came to drop this, she tried to do like a tailgate dump it, but she did a bad job, so she just left a bunch of piles here. So yeah, I ran out of plastic the other day. I got some more plastic to go under the gravel. So I'm about to roll that out, and I got about 140 feet to right here. So let's see how much more I can get done with the rest of this stone piled up here. So yeah, let's roll out some plastic. Alright, so I ended up bringing another load of 20 tons, but this driver, I mean, it's been soft, but the driver messed up my whole driveway, what I had already completed. Check this out. So yeah, he was kind of like going that way then this way, and he just ended up messing up everything. I can just fix it a little bit with the machine, but I got another 20 tons there, so I can continue the driveway. Let's see how far I can get with this load. I believe it's gonna be this one and maybe two more to get to the back of the house all the way over there. All right, guys, so I got the last load of ABC here. So this is going to be our parking area where I'm gonna build our carport. So let's get to spreading this stone out and finishing up our driveway. All right, so there goes the final product. 20 tons of stone, of ABC stone for our garage pad. All right, guys, so as y'all can see, the driveway is done. We got a pretty nice curve on here, coming down through here. And to my last load of ABC that I did, right here is gonna be our parking area. I might later add a little bit more towards the sides, towards that side. But for now, this is where I'm going to build my carport. The driveway is done. It took me about a month working on it because I had to wait for them to do the septic and all that before I could finish it. But I got it done. So yeah, one last thing done. And they also brought the brick for the skirting of the house. So they'll get to that. Thank y'all for watching. If y'all made it this far, make sure y'all like it. Make sure y'all subscribe. And stay up to date with everything that we're doing here on our property, you know, from raw land to having our home here. So yeah, we got plenty of projects coming up. So see y'all in the next one.